Hi guys, I'm Rutuja Parkhi and welcome to our YouTube channel. So today is International Women's Day. So here we are, I and my team for a royal lunch at Heritage Royal Dining. So Women's Day. We celebrate Women's Day to celebrate womanhood to the fullest. This is one day where we celebrate the greatest achievements of women and the contributions they have made to this world. What I think is when we celebrate the greatest achievements, we only celebrate the achievements that are notable or the achievements that are recognizable. But there are many things or there are many small instances where we do not realize that this achievement or this one act of kindness can make a very big impact. So I asked my team to name that one person and the impact that they have made in their life. So let's go. So I have Pragya Singh with me. She works as an organizational development in our company. So Pragya, I would like to ask you that who is that one person or like one of the person in your life that has impacted your life the most? Who is that person and how has she impacted? Please tell me.
So that person is my Taiji. We call her Badi Mummy. She is a perfect mother because she knows where you have to put restriction, where you have to let go a person free, and she does not differ in whether he or she is a boy or a girl or anything. She prefers that everyone should know everything, like right from housework beyond the housework as well, outside world also. So she has taught me how to be independent and everything. So she is the person that has changed my life every time, and she has taught me everything what I am today.
Pragya, would you like to tell your Taiji a few words, like a note of thank you or anything?
Love you, Taiji.
Thank you, Pragya. Thank you for sharing. So here we are with Shweta Patil. She is a design draftsman in our company. So Shweta, the question is that who is that one person in your life who has impacted you the most, and who is that person and how has she impacted?
Okay, hello, I'm Shweta here. So the most important person in my life is my grandma, and we call him Akka. She is the best person in my life. She is my support system. Today what I am, because of she helped me in every condition, and she loves me more than everything. So I love him a lot, and she is my real hero of my life.
Would you like to tell her anything if she's watching the video?
I love you so much, and you're more important. You're my mom, dad, sister, brother, everything you are. Because of you, I'm here right now. So thank you for me, everything, for being with us, and please be live for more and more here. Thank you.
Wow, thank you for sharing. So here we are with our HR ma'am, Sneha Pawar. So ma'am, say hi. So ma'am, I would like to ask you one thing. Who is that one person in your life who has impacted you the most? Who is that person and how has she impacted? Please tell them.
Of course, she is my mom, and she has taught me from my childhood that whatever happens, just be happy, and inspired me to be independent in every aspect of life and stay happy and keep everybody happy.
Would you like to tell her anything? A thank you note?
I love you.
Thank you for sharing. So guys, here we have Sonal Parule. She is a design engineer in our company. So Sonal, I would like to ask you the same question that I have asked others. Who is that one person in your life who has impacted you the most? Who is that person and how has she impacted your life?
Okay, there are many people important in my life, but my mother and sister, they are most important person in my life. Because they always guide me for my career, they always push me for my career, and they always help me in my day-to-day life. So I inspire from them. So it is very easy to tackle my all situations. So it will always help to sort out problems.
and they today what are I am due to them. And yes, they always told me never give up, always try, and always said like work harder and work with passion. So I always listen them and try to apply.
Obedient
Yes,
child.
yes, and I always try to apply the what they teach me. So yeah. So I love you so much. Yeah. Thank you, Sonal. Thank you for sharing. So guys, now you all have heard from my colleagues, and so now it's my turn to answer the same question. So the person who has impacted my life the most, actually when I think of it, there are many women who have shaped my life or shaped my career, but the one person that I would like to acknowledge is Ranade Kaku. So being from a nuclear family, that too with working parents, we were raised in a daycare. So it was not a modern daycare, so it was a traditional one, like a home daycare. So we used to call her Ranade Kaku. She took care of us for more than 8 years. She used to pour all her love on us, but she used to turn into a strict teacher when we misbehaved or when we didn't do our homeworks or when we used to get less marks in exam. So when I think of it, she has impacted my parents' life also. Because like when we were with her, so my parents didn't have to worry that if we had our food after school, or if we did our homework, or if we are spending our time not playing video games or not watching TV. Ranade Kaku, I would really thank you for all the love that you have given us. I am sure one day I will definitely make you proud. So guys, on this note, I would like to end this video, and I would like to say one thing. Kudos to all the women out there. You are doing a very great job. You are impacting someone's life, actually everyone's life in one or the other way. So guys, on this note, a very happy Women's Day to everyone again, and I would like to end this video. So guys, please like, share and subscribe this video, and also please comment down below the person who has impacted your life the most, and I would like to read everyone's comment, and I will also try to reply them. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care.